What's up, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And in today's YouTube video, we're going to be recording the best animal duo, because we are the best animal duo, of course, like not like Kid K and Jay Gravy, but as whatever. And I just got attention in my hand and that hurt. Yeah, so this is going to be our loadout. My loadout is going to be katana, SMG, pistol, and grenade.
It's not coming off. Alright, so guys, I got sniper, what I'm best with, pistol, no, sidekick, and ninjato. Sniper rifle, sidekick, and ninjato.
Whatever. I'll see you guys when we get in our first match.
You guys ready?
Yep. 18. Ooh, I got that one low. I got them so low. Not the good sniper one.
Stand with sidekicks, bro. Yeah. I am not. Yo, holy double team. What is that?
Bro's crashing it out.
Round starting.
Yada yada yada. Over here? Oh what?
What?
No, actually, there's one of them that's really good with sniper. He's really good with sniper. Holy cow! Holy cow!
What is that, bro? What is this?
What is that? What is that?
Oh my gosh, my controller. I'm cooked.
Hey, this is supposed to be the best animal duo, bro. What?
Yeah,
Round
what's up,
started.
animal duo? The worst animal duo, you mean?
Oh god. $116 on the elf.
Dead.
Elf is really low.
I am not slow, bro.
Oh my gosh, I cannot hit him. Dead.
Invincible Apocalypse Force! Oh yeah! I'm Invincible Apocalypse!
What?
Dinosaur!
You're still the same rank, bro.
Round starting.
Did you even go to team?
9-on-1!
97?
Dead.
98, I meant.
Okay, over here.
164? Dead?
Bro. I am in team. What, are you a spammer? Are you calling us a spammer?
SMG's part of my new loadout, bro. I
Round
don't use
starting.
Deagle anymore. I'll use it occasionally, but I just don't use it anymore. 10. He's using SMG.
48.
Dead.
Dead, you mean?
He's spamming, it's still losing, but it's whatever. Right there. On top. Right here.
I know where he is. He has high ground.
No! Oh my gosh!
Oh, how is he not dead?
Ah! Monkey. Yo. What is bro doing? Yo.
Round starting.
You're dead.
You're
I've unleashed my beast. 40?
114. They're spamming. They're spamming AK.
You're doing it.
Oh, If
If you die, you lost first.
Oh, I thought it was you. I thought you were dead. I got him pretty low. I had him for 116. Right there. Hit him. Yes.
I've unleashed my full beast.
Beast. Yeah. The invincible beast.
I have unleashed my invincible apocalypse.
Round starting.
Invince apocalypse. All right, block him. Not. Oh, they're low. I hit one for 84. 47.
7, dead.
This one's low. Dead.
Yeah, you guys don't mess.
I hit for 84.
My invincible apocalypse is going a bit crazy. Gotta lock him.
Round starting.
I remember going against you for the first time. Not for the first time, but like the first time you used Deagle and you showed me how good you were with it, and you were actually really good. And I lost.
Holy 40. I had him 80 twice.
Yeah, I can't do anything.
twice. Holy. Okay.
They're saying, oh yeah.
Are they gay?
No, bro, what?
They're gay.
I'm gonna have to change my loadout, bro. By the way, guys, this is a one-time thing. I am not gonna use this throughout the whole video. What if I'm trying to snipe me? Oh, I don't have grenade. I'd be careful.
40.
27? 27 again? Oh, wait, what?
Round starting.
Duo, bro. These are duo. And our YouTube channel. 30. Holy
70, 80?
double team, what is this?
Dead?
Why are you guys double teaming me? Because you guys know I'm too good?
Yo, chill out.
You're freaking double teaming me with AR.
They are, actually. Dead.
Y'all suck, bro.
Okay.
Literally, they're.
Hey, just go to team, bro. Chill out. I don't know why he was shooting you when I was just, like...
Round starting.
Like, I was shooting him and he was still shooting you. 114 on the sprayer.
They're both spraying. 20?
Not the water gun user.
Okay, I killed one. No, that was me,
Oh.
bruh. Okay, I killed one. In here, in here, in here.
I know where he is. Whoa!
He's shotgun spamming. You know what?
Is she sniper?
I don't care.
Okay.
Like, genuinely,
Round
I don't care.
started.
They're getting on my nerves, bruh.
Not on you, not on you, not on you.
Yo, this cheater! Freaking weirdo!
80?
Over here!
I was gonna say, how is it not dead?
I know my team. You're like that.
Round starting.
So am I cutting this out of video or what? Okay. Oh, I'm getting double teamed. I got them both low. I hit this one for 60. He's gonna spray. He's gonna coming up.
Yo, I just one-shotted both of them. What is this?
I don't know why I'm playing this match if I'm cutting it out.
Round starting.
Actually, yeah, just don't cut it out. Just cut like that.
No, I'm gonna have to cut it out. 51 on him.
Oh, I killed one with Jiggle.
Right here, right here.
Not the worst team Good snap.
Round starting.
And they're losing.
That was awkward silence right there. Oh, I got double teamed. Oh! By the way, guys, these kids,
Ty is not your friend.
these kids were talking about Ty was their friend because we were saying we're the best duo. We were not trying to be rude, but they were talking about that Ty is their friend. 30?
Oh my gosh, my aim.
Dead?
My aim.
My aim today is really crazy, bro.
40, 80?
Oh yeah, best duo, bro.
I'm a sniper.
I'm using sniper. If I can find it, there it is. Sniper duo.
Round starting.
What? How did I not hit? My goofy.
Yo, freaking weirdo! They're spamming snipers.
How is this not hitting? I can't do anything. You know what? Want to say haha? Want to say
What was
haha?
that, bro? What was actually, what was that laugh?
Round starting.
Spray. 90 and 50. Dead. Dead.
Jeez.
I like how you're copying their laugh.
You know what?
Round starting.
I was in all.
Ooh, 114. Best duo, bro. What is that laugh?
For some reason you're carrying me. Why are you carrying me? I should be carrying you.
Wait, how am I carrying? It's probably because I have
Round
SMG.
starting.
You're not using sniper though. Auto shotgun, auto shotgun, auto shotgun, auto shotgun. Green's using auto shotgun. I saw Green with an auto shotgun in his hand. I got scared for a sec. I thought we were gonna lose.
I'm using normal shotgun. That's way better. Normal shotty, there's way over 200, bro.
Yeah.
Round starting.
I always thought he did 160. 47 on the green one. Wait, are these fake Titans?
He's out of shotgun! I killed him, but I died. Yo, you think auto shotgun is Come on, Gavin, you got him!
How do we get this when it was one
Match
person that picked this?
starting.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine.
We're
It
dead.
doesn't matter.
We might be dead, but
Round starting.
On me.
60, 93. Dead. One tap. Dead. I killed him with katana.
You carried me, bro. I got 0.
Ah.
What is that?
Oh, that's funny.
What is this, bro? I have 0 damage and 0 kills.
Round starting.
On one in middle. Oh, over here.
No, I got him low. Nice. Sniper.
Oh my god.
Get him.
Oh my god. Yo, I used sidekick, bro. Holy.
Sidekick's kind of hard to spam.
I ran out of ammo in my deagle, bro. I couldn't
Yeah.
reload, or otherwise he would headshot me.
Round starting.
I sticked it to myself. I didn't even do
How did you do that?
that. I don't know. On middle.
60 on him.
40. 107. Oh,
No, you're too crazy. It was a 1v1. Whew.
Oh, I'm in all.
Round starting.
Ben, go get that.
What?
I'll walk in. Someone walk into the door. Oh my gosh, guys, I might have to 1v2 this. Guys, I might have to 1v2 this.
Okay, Gavin.
I'm 1v2ing! No! I got him so low, I almost 1v2'd that.
Shut up!
Gosh. Sorry, you guys, our dog is barking.
Shut up!
Round starting.
Oh my gosh.
No, I keep on sticking it to myself.
What? Dude, I almost 1v2'd that.
Stop targeting me.
I'm not targeting, bro. What is bro on about? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I almost 1v2'd them.
Round starting.
$39, $40, $80.
45 on the not the AK spam, remember the other one. Yeah. We just made a By the way,
Match
guys,
started.
if you're watching this YouTube video, we literally W subscriber, bro. W subscriber. He met us in a public. He subscribed to us.
Round starting.
W subscriber.
Holy, bro, I just got killed.
Oh my gosh, bro. What is
No way,
this?
we just met a subscriber. No way.
That's actually kind of crazy.
Yeah. It's the first time we've ever gotten.
No, we don't.
Round starting.
Duo 9717. Yo, oh my spam.
Yeah. I don't know what just happened.
Yes.
Subscribe to our YouTube
Yes.
channel, bro. Wait, is he
Just keep-
subscribed?
Round starting.
No.
Dead? Dead? Oh my gosh.
No,
Yo, chill out. Stop glazing your subscriber, bro.
no, but actually, bro.
Round
First
starting.
time, bro.
Damn it. 199. One of them's one.
Oh,
Like literally one. Yeah.
I missed. Yeah.
I hit it for 199.
I hit him for 7, and I killed him.
Round starting.
That's what it feels like.
Dead? Where's this kid? Oh, I have no ammo. Oh, I had no ammo.
I had one left. I have out of my sidekick, and I had one ammo left, and I had 0 when I shot it.
Yeah.
Round starting.
Cook, bruh.
17, 32 on the puck.
And
I'm getting spammed. What?
wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I'm getting spammed.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Yo, hold on, Gavin.
What?
I saw like you know his name, like it was just like standing letters, right?
Yeah.
Round starting.
I saw it on my iPad. Like subscribe to your channel, whatever his name was.
Oh dang.
10. I didn't.
Yeah, this kid's one. I just can't get him because.
What the hell? What was
I
that?
don't know, bro.
Yeah.
Round starting.
What? He's cheating. What? Yo, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maiden.
Match.
All right, so
starting.
we're not the best. We're not the very best, but we're the best because we kind of
Round starting.
that was kind of a little embarrassing when I hit him. When I got them really low, but we done. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. We're straight. We're dead.
Oh, dead!
Never mind. I guess we're not dead.
Yo, I headshot one. How are you, bud? I was at 38.
Okay, can you go to team?
I'm in team.
Round starting.
Oh, I got that.
No, bro. How did I get him so low and I just didn't do anything?
Huh?
No, wait, what? Wait, I was trying to do a different loadout, but
Round starting.
This is our last match.
10 on 1.
Right here.
I'm over.
Holy bro, Deagle and shotgun.
I can't. I'm dead.
Deagle and shotgun, bro. Deagle and shotgun. No
Round
offense.
starting.
66 on 1.
What is that double team? Why not double team?
Yo, I hit him so low.
So my teammates just. It's okay. sorry I'm being so rude, bro. It's just like, yeah. Sorry, bro.
Oh my god.
Round starting.
Like, actually, sorry. I'm not meaning it. Like, his teammates not already that.
Whoa, I'm low. Yeah, I'm sick and tired of this game. I'm getting only spammed.
Let's play Wizard after this. By the way, this is the last match. This way, this way.
Round starting.
No, okay, hold up. What? Me.
Okay, bro.
Where's he at?
Right here. In middle. Coming. That hit me.
12?
Come on. I'm using rocket launcher too.
Ooh!
Okay, bud.
At 18 HP!
How low are you?
At 18 HP!
What was that? Look what I have.
Oh my gosh.
Round starting.
What was that?
Fun.
22?
Oh, 109! Dead!
112! 122! I'm at. Yes!
Are using rocket launcher? Y'all are the worst.
I'm using RPG again.
Yo, RPG. I killed one with two
Round starting.
body shots. Oh my god, bro, he's just spamming you with shotgun.
Yo, I can't do anything. They're just. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of this YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.